Hello students. In previous video we have completed our 25 words answer question of lesson number 15, Journey of the Atlantic on a Papyrus Boat. Now in this video we will do the answer of 50 words each. Now question number 1 is, what were the preparation Thor Heyerdahl had done before setting out for his journey? थॉर हाइड्रल ने क्या प्रिपरेशन की थी अपनी जर्नी में निकलने से पहले? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेसन व्हाट वी रीड, द आंसर इज, बिफोर सेटिंग आउट फॉर हिज जर्नी थॉर हाइड्रल डिड अ नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स. First of all, he chose the papyrus boat for sailing like the early Egyptian. Next, he located the tribe which excelled in making papyrus boats. He sought permission for their sultan. He also brought papyrus trees from Ethiopia. He managed chickens and ducks which could serve as food on the way. He took a trial of the boats. When he was fully satisfied, he started his journey across the Atlantic. Question number 2, describe the launch of the papyrus boat. किस तरह से पेपरस बोट को लॉन्च किया गया उसे हमें डिस्क्राइब करना है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेसन, ऑन 25th May द बोट वॉज लॉन्च्ड. पाशा's wife launched it with goat's milk. She said that it symbolized hospitality and good wishes. She smashed the pitcher against the wooden cradle. She named the ship Ra in honor of the sun god. Amidst happiness, the papyrus boat started on its great adventure. Question number 4. Describe some of the hardships faced by the crew during their journey. How did they manage to overcome them? क्या क्या जो मुसीबतें आई थी हुई जर्नी के दौरान, उस समय जो उन्होंने फेस किया था क्रू ने, उसको डिस्क्राइब करना है और उससे बाहर निकलने के लिए उन्होंने किस तरह से मैनेज किया. नाउ द क्रू फेस्ड अ नंबर ऑफ हार्डशिप्स ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी. द वायलेंट एंड स्ट्रॉमी विंड्स ब्रोक द रोइंग ओर्स. One day they lost the trace of time and the hemisphere. They were unable to contact the Safi harbor on radio. Their ship also got disjointed. On 18th June, the crew had to face high rising waves causing havoc. Sometimes the heavy rain unnerved them. To overcome these hardships, the crew never lost its courage and patience. Every time when they were near the disaster, they pushed it away heroically. Question 4. Describe the last stage of their expedition. उनका जो एक्सपीडिशन था, जो उनकी जर्नी थी, उसके लास्ट स्टेज को डिस्क्राइब करना है. So on the last stage of their expedition, their boat broke into 2 parts, but the courageous sailors with a sledgehammer rowed the boat together. The next problem they faced was the heavy rain. They did their best to save the boat. Ultimately, they were able to have contact with Shahanado and Hydral's wife on a steamer. The sailors then left the badly damaged papyrus boat and took shelter on the steamer. So students, these are the answers in 50 words. Here students, there are some questions of your lesson number 15 from grammar section. Active and passive voice. A sentence is said to be in a passive voice if the person or thing is said to suffer something from some other person or thing. Passive voice, एक सेंटेंस में पैसिव वॉइस तब कहा जाता है कि जब कोई पर्सन या थिंग होता है वो दूसरे के कारण कुछ सफर करता है, दूसरे पर्सन या थिंग के कारण कुछ सफर करता है. So here you see all these sentences are in simple past tense. Now see this table. When the sentence is in simple present, in passive form, rule to form, when you convert it into passive form, it becomes is, am, are is helping verb plus past participle. Past participle means, students, the verb is in third form. We call it V3. When the sentence is in simple present in active voice, when we convert it into passive voice, we use was, were plus past participle. Then simple future, it becomes shall be, will be plus past participle. When the sentence is in present continuous, we use is, am, are plus being plus past participle. Past continuous, was, were plus being plus past participle. Present perfect, has, have plus been plus past participle. Past perfect, had plus been plus past participle. And in future perfect, shall, will, have plus been plus past participle. So students, with the help of this table, and in your previous videos I already explained you how to convert active voice into passive voice. You have done the next exercise.